Hi everyone, today we are in Module 2 of VMath Level E. We're going to do lesson number 5, so turn to page 19 and follow along to take notes. Today is a gizmos lesson, so cargo captain. You're going to do multi-digit subtraction. So here we are to get ready. We're going to do a little bit of practice. So 286, that equals 2 hundreds, 8 tens, and 6 ones. 37 equals 3 tens and 7 ones, which equals the same thing as 37 ones if we counted them all separately. And then here we have 4 hundreds and 2 tens, which if we did that in tens, remember there's 10 tens in 100. So we'd have 10, 20, 30, 40 tens plus 2 tens is 42 tens. All right, so this says you are the captain of the spaceship that delivers barrels of cargo. The individual barrels can be grouped into crates, which are tens, and holds hundreds. So you can see these are tens, so 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, and then this holds 100. So you're going to use the blue slider to set the number of barrels on board. Slide the knob to show 138 in the display. So right here, there's a little slider on your screen, and then it'll go to 138. Then it says use the red slider to set the number of barrels to unload. Okay, you can't see it on here super well, but you're going to do it on your screen. You're going to unload 25 barrels in the display. Then click done. Okay, so over here it'll say done. Then it says click on the crates and barrels on the ship to unload 25 barrels until the number 25 is shown in red. So that means that you're going to have to unclick 25. So if you have 138 on board, you could click 10, 20, and then click 5 of the little separate ones to click 25. And then it'll say how many blue barrels are left on board, and it'll tell you how many are left on board. Okay, so you're going to do this on your page. You need to get to cargo captain, get to cargo captain, and then you'll do that. All right, so this is on your own on page 20. Use the gizmos cargo captain to help you finish. Good luck.